Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another SnapSolar Tech Talk. Today we're looking at the Fronius Gen 24 and we're going to run over how to reconnect the Gen 24 to your home Wi-Fi. Now this can be used if you change modems, i.e. from Telstra to Optus or vice versa, or if you simply want to reconnect your unit to home Wi-Fi. All you're going to need to complete this task is a smartphone device and your home Wi-Fi password. So let's get stuck into it. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our mobile device. And we're going to open up Solar.start. Once we're into Solar.start, we're going to select Start Setup. And we're going to select Gen 24. Now what we're asked to do is to open the inverter access point. Now that's done by touching the LED sense button here in the middle. And now that we have a flashing illuminated blue Wi-Fi light, our gateway is opened and we're able to establish Wi-Fi connection. The next section, we're asked to scan the QR code of the inverter. That's located on the left-hand side of the Fronius inverter, or right-hand side if you're looking at it face on. Okay, for this section, guys, we're going to skip the firmware update. And that's going to take us through to the inverter's interface. Now that we're at the inverter's interface, we're going to go to the top right-hand corner to the drop-down menu, and we're going to select communication. And you can see here that communication is locked, and to access communication, we will need the customer password. Now this was provided to you on installation, or maybe the same as your Fronius Solar Web password. Now, if you're unsure of your Fronius password, or if you're unable to gain access at this section, you can select Forgotten Password. Now, this will generate a PIN, and what you need to do with this PIN is you need to call SnapSolar, give them this PIN, and we can reset your customer password. This can only be done for existing or current SnapSolar customers. So you enter your customer password, and select Login. Okay, now we're into the inverter's web interface and we're able to access our network. So we select the drop-down menu again and we select Network. Okay, now I've disconnected that network and I'm able to show you guys start to finish on how to reconnect. So we're going to select Wi-Fi. Select the available Wi-Fi network that you'd like to connect to and enter the home Wi-Fi password. Once entered, hit connect. Okay. Now you can see that our home Wi-Fi has successfully been connected to the inverter. Give this about half an hour to an hour, guys, and you will see that updated on your Solar Web or through your app. And you've now successfully connected your inverter or reconnected your inverter to your home network. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some more SnapSolar Tech Talks. Cheers.